And you'll see right over here, $ DXY. And here you go. So right now, we actually have put in an alternate scenario right over here. If the dollar turns positive again, and if the euro breaks down, then the low that we were expecting right over here will have occurred over here. You can see in here, momentum is still negative. So the probabilities are high that it will turn down again, but the euro has to turn up. And I don't know how it's going to do that with the present rhetoric that we're getting out of the EU and the European Central Bank and Christine Lagarde, who is the MMT queen, along, of course, with Janet Yellen. So they don't want to raise rates there, and that is affecting and strengthening the dollar, and also a safety bid that has come in for the dollar right now. But today, of course, the dollar is up only slightly. It's up about 0.2%, 1.8. So it's firm as you look at that. Here we'll look at this dollar index, and you can see that there's multiple VTLs coming up from different cycle bottoms over there and all converging right over here. So if this cycle formed the way we would expect it to, it would hold above those VTLs and come down into this support area right up here and turn up again. And then there'd be more weakness out over here. So this is kind of a range-bound choppy area, but it is getting into the sell zone. If it gets over 96.50 through that 78.6, the probabilities would be improving that more upside is coming. So that is what we're looking at. We look at all of these things, as you can see in here, and right now, as you can see, the momentum was negative and it is now neutralized right there. So negative momentum on the weekly, the intermediate, neutral momentum here on the daily. It really is not a real positive condition when you look at that. If anything, it leans to the negative, and we believe that it would reverse down from this sell zone.